Hey, ndị be anyị ekene unu. I dey greet you na my wonderful and lovely people wey dey show me love, wey dey subscribe to my channel, wey dey do pink, wey dey like for my channel. God go bless una. As una dey try wella, una dey try. God go bless una for me. God go bless una for everything wey una dey do. God go bless una. God go keep una family. Everything wey una dey find, how una go take survive, una go prosper. Prayer wey I dey pray for una in Jesus name, amen. Today I don carry another one come wey dey disturb my head. Hey, my sisters, which time our country wey be Naija go good? I no understand o. Which time our Nigerian government wey go good? Our Nigeria, which time go good? Me, I don tire. I don tire, my sister. I don tire. Number one, light no dey. Una no mind my face o, but I dey explain something for una. Light no dey for the country. No money for people wey no get. How dem dey take survive? Nothing. It's too much o. It's too much. No, you no go shake body again for Naija. The thing tire me. If you no dey tire una, tire me o. Because the kind call wey I dey receive 247 message, I need aunty send money for me, brother send money for me, sister send money for me. Abeg, you no get food to chop. How many you wan send? And you sef wey dey abroad, how many, wetin you dey get? No work sef, no, everywhere dry. No money, everywhere dry. But our own Naija, our own things dey different. See, airport don open, 2 minutes they go tell you say they go open, and 2 seconds they go na so dem dey turn am. They go open tomorrow, they go open today. I don tire. Which one be this one and what we do? Abeg, make we dey shine our eye. The thing wey we dey do sef, the government wey be say na im dey for the top, they no dey even pity for the poor ones. They no care, only their own. The time wey the thing go dey full them, the time wey dem go enjoy the thing, na they like put their own. Sometimes I dey wonder, na God na im create this world o. If you say na human being like us na im create this world, wahala for don dey o. This life for don change another thing. But now, sometimes God go just show them say they are nothing in the world. I don't know if na human being na im create this world. Problem for don come on, my people. Big problem for don come. But make una no dey mind this my mistake. You know say na the mistake na my hobby dey use dey rub me. So I say make I finish this talk today, because the talk don pain me tire. No be human being na im get this world, na God na im create this world, carry am come down, put am for us. Say make we dey easy, make we dey jolly, make we dey happy, make we dey do everything. But na human being like us o, they wan make the world, they wan make everything bad for the poor ones. You know easy, you know good o. You know good o. Make una dey get conscience. Poor people must survive o. Poor people must survive o. It's too much, all this wahala for tomorrow and today and tomorrow for today. Yesterday, Mama Nkechi come tell me say the rice, cup of rice, you know the amount wey im buy am, foreign rice. Say everything na too much. Say 1 derica, you know amount wey im buy am. Ogusi penta, say I know amount wey im buy am. Me, I don tire o. I dey tell una, me I don tire. Abeg, our government, more na dey pity for us o. It's too much. We don't have money. Everywhere dey somehow. Una go hide everything up. Okay, more na open everywhere. I no understand o. Me, I just tire o. I just tire. My body dey pain me. The thing dey pain me from my innermost my body. Dey pain me because all these things no good. E no make sense. Dey bring wahala, no good. Poor people must chop. They don use call finish me from Africa. 2 minutes until send money, 2 seconds until send money. Where I get to send, me where I see the money, me sef I dey try for myself to even pay my house, to pay this one, to pay water, to pay light bill. E no easy because obodo oyibo, nobody dey help each other o. Nobody dey help everybody with im head. So abeg, our government, abeg, more na do something o. I go change am for now. Una wahala don too much, I go change am for now. You see as I pent so, I dey pent for my husband. But this one wey una dey do, hungry dey finish people. Me, I no just like am. I no dey happy. You know, since I dey swallow up like this tomorrow no dey. I no just like am at all. Abeg, make una do make poor people fit see food chop. No know if na una create dis world, therefore wahala for don dey. Pass like dis. But thank God say na God na im pass una, na God na im create the world. Sometimes we go show una as una be rich people, we go just throw away one kind thing for una. Abeg, more una dey take am softly o. Dis thing wey una dey do me dey pain me o, e dey pain me. Abeg, una fit give me that ochichi make I chala small. Abeg, make una give me make I go there small, just a little bit. You understand? Make I try and go and stay on top. Make una see wetin I go fit do. Una know say what a man can do, a woman can do. What a man can do, a woman can do. What a man can do, a woman can do. Abeg, more una dey take am time now. More una dey try for the poor ones. More una dey try for the poor ones. Una dey try for the poor ones. Abeg, more una dey pity. Light no dey, no good road, everywhere yamayama. After una go carry our money, una go dey fly from one country to another. Una no fit help us. Una go carry the money wey dem use tell una say make una do the road, do everything. Una dey carry am dey comot. I no understand o. Look at my Anambra State. Anambra State, their own na wahala. Their own, I no know wetin dem dey find. They no fit do everywhere. All the whole road is very, very bad. Last time, abi na last week, na dem talk say the Anambra governor just buy motor for all the whole king for the village, for the Anambra State. I no understand o. Abeg, more una help me talk this. The money wey dem go use almost 500 pieces of cars. Please make una see o. The money wey e go use to treat us, to take care of us, for do our road, our village road, all the whole places, make sure work dey for the poor ones. You no go do am. You go buy car for the chief dem no even know you dey exist. I no even see wetin dem dey do. You go buy car for them. Which car? You go buy car for them. I no understand o. Some of people wey dey get money there too, na so dem dey buy car dey challenge each other. One na suppose poor people dey hungry. Food no dey, no food to chop, no water to drink. Instead wey you na go and buy food and supply many things for people, or dash dem those money, share am for everyone account that place in Anambra. Una use am dey challenge una sef dey buy car to car. I no understand o. Buy okada dash many people, dem go thank you the kind of blessing wey dem go give you. But you go buy motor for the jeep for car for this people community. You say na king, you go buy car for them. Una dey buy car dey challenge una sef. Me, I no just appreciate all these things wey una dey do o. Una own don too much for that our country Naija. Una own don too much. Una suppose to change. I don't know the kind of church wey una dey go. After in the morning you see them, na dem go stand for the church, dey for church, na dem go deacon of this, deacon of that. But una no see one thing wey una dey do for us. Una just wicked pass any other thing. Una no dey think for the poor ones. What una dey do, una no dey even think for the poor ones. Abi dem dey chop, abi dem no dey chop. Una no care. Una no care about us. We just dey eat. After una eat, una go still carry una people, still put there, make una dey chop. Abeg, una dey take am easy dey chop o. Una dey take am easy. Una dey look the poor ones. Look at all the whole road, no good road. Some places in Buze dey there. Some places no road for pass to go my village sef. Sometimes you go na poto go full there. All the go push the motor. Even though you dress well, you go carry your belle put for waist, carry all your cloth to draw am up, and you start dey push the car up with yamayama poto for the road. Nothing. They cannot do good road. They cannot do everything. Even common gutter, to do gutter na problem for them. That make if there's rain is falling everywhere for the street, water will be coming out on the road. All those things no good. But una dey go white people country, you don see the way their house be, you don see the way their road be. Good thing no dey hungry you. If you good thing no dey hungry, why you leave your country dey travel for another people country? Because you enjoy the way the place look like. Why can't you people do the same for our country? Why can't you people, governor, president, abeg una dey do am well? Una own don too much. This money una go still leave am. Una no go carry am go. this money go still leave am go. This money wey una dey find, wey una dey pack, dey pack, even una children go still leave am go. Abeg, if una dey do work, some people dem go say president na do this. Sometimes president na this, the president go pay you the money wey you go use do work for your government, for your side. You carry the money chuku for pocket, you don't want to work. President go come dey monitor you say you no work. President go give you how many million to work for your state. You carry the money put for pocket, chop the money, dey chop the money, dey travel with your children in best school. Poor people dey for Africa dey suffer. Abeg, that better thing wey dey hungry una, wey una dey use am dey travel. Abeg, more na do am for our country. We sef we no go travel again. All of us go dey there dey do something. But when una no do anything, una just dey travel, and better thing dey good for una no go do am for una country, and dem dey give una money. Do the work, you carry the money, you go and impress some people, put there say you are doing it. After your term will finish, you chop the money. My brother, abeg, make I no send fire for you now. Make I no send fire as I dey now hear this dey scatter. Make I no send fire for una. Una dey take am easy dey chop this money wey una dey chop. Yeah, the money una dey chop am too much. Abeg, una take am easy. Una dey get conscience. Na person born una dey get conscience. Abeg, make dey go. Everything wey dey as e dey there, this life dey turn o. This life na turn by turn. All this money wey una dey put, abeg, una take am easy o. Dey chop all this money. Una dey remember the poor ones. Is advice I'm giving you people. Remember the poor ones. Dey help them. That money wey you use go buy motor 500 pieces, you don use it to feed the poor people. You use the challenge this one buy motor for wetin? For which work dem work? After you tell us that there's no money, you don't have money. Do better road, do everywhere, make it turn to small London. Make everywhere clean. You dey there dey buy car for them. You no know wetin that money go solve in our state. Me, I no just like am o. I dey change am for you o. Respect yourself o. More na dey respect una self for there, for that country. More na respect una self for that country o. I dey vex as you see me, I dey vex. Mama Nkechi today, I don shout for am well, make e no near me o. Him dey compare for me for the rice and beans, say everything cost. I tell am say make e no just try me near me my house, because I go change am for am. Me, I dey vex well. Abeg o, more na respect una self o. More na dey get conscience. Abeg, listen for my day. Abeg, more na dey share this thing so they go hear for their ear. The thing wey dem dey do no good, I no just like am. More na dey remember poor people. Abeg, more na no look my face. Na Liga, Evimida, bye. Have a nice day. Bye-bye. Okay.